Why hair loss is an early warning sign you should never ignore, and what to do about it. Did you know that an average person loses 50 to 100 strands per day, and that's a completely normal thing? But if you begin to experience bald spots and if you notice that your hair is thinning, well, that may be an early sign of hair loss. The most common reasons for hair loss. Both men and women including children can experience hair loss. This health condition can affect just your scalp, or it can affect your entire body as well. The most common reasons and causes for hair loss are hormonal changes, medical conditions, medications, heredity, etc. These are the most common reasons for hair loss. 1. Skin conditions. There are many different skin conditions and skin problems that can affect your scalp and speed up the hair loss process. The most common skin conditions that cause hair loss are seborrheic dermatitis, eczema of the scalp, infection by fungus called Malassezia furfur causes dandruff, psoriasis of the scalp, autoimmune condition. These skin conditions usually cause flaky and dry skin, and they sometimes cause itchiness. 2. Hormonal imbalance. We can easily say that hormonal imbalance is one of the leading causes and one of the most common reasons for hair loss. If the iron levels in your body are low, this can cause some serious problems with your thyroid gland malfunctioning, which usually leads to your hormones getting out of balance. Well, we can say the same thing for high testosterone levels. They can cause hair loss in both men and women. These symptoms are especially worse in the case of women with polycystic ovarian syndrome, POS. 3. Prescription medication. Did you know that some prescription medications such as contraceptives, blood pressure medications, antidepressants, antibiotics, acne medications, chemotherapeutics agents, immunosuppressants, and pain medications can cause hair loss in both men and women? 4. Nutritional deficiency. Well, deficiency from some vitamins and minerals can cause hair loss and damage the scalp health. B-complex vitamins, zinc, vitamin D, and protein. Lack of these vitamins can be really harmful to scalp health. And some nutritional deficiency caused by some prescription drugs or digestive conditions, Crohn's disease and IBS, can cause hair loss as well. 5. Stress. When we are stressed, the blood flow to the scalp is decreased and the hair growth is significantly reduced. The stress makes our bodies to go into fight mode. This means that all important body functions are linked to survival. Did you know that stress can trigger the mental health condition called trichotillomania? Well, in this type of health condition, the individual pluck out hair as a self-soothing mechanism. 6. Autoimmune conditions. Telogen effluvium is a name for autoimmune condition. In this type of autoimmune condition, the body pushes the hair follicles into some sort of resting phase so that they don't grow and produce hair. Alopecia areata. This is another autoimmune condition. In this type of autoimmune condition, the immune system of the body attacks the hair follicles, causing large patches of hair to fall out. 7. Hair products. Some expensive hair products can affect people who have sensitive skin. These products can be harmful if they contain sulfates or other chemical additives. This is why you should always use homemade natural products that will nourish your scalp and hair follicles instead of irritating them with these expensive hair products. In this video we are going to show you how to make the most effective homemade hair mask against hair loss. How to treat hair loss. There are many different natural remedies that can help you with your hair loss problem. Well, the hair loss can be treated effectively if you know the actual cause. So in order to promote your hair and scalp health, we highly recommend this nourishing hair mask. This hair mask will improve your hair and scalp health, and it will stop the hair loss process. And the best thing about this hair mask is that it's very simple and easy to make. All you have to do is follow the simple instructions. Castor oil hair mask. The main ingredient in this hair mask is castor oil. This oil has many health properties, including antifungal and anti-inflammatory, which makes it the best tool to keep your scalp healthy and under control. You will need the following ingredients: castor oil, clean hands, shower cap, an old t-shirt, essential oil, optional. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to put on an old t-shirt. Then apply coin-sized amount of castor oil to your palms and rub your hands together in order to warm the castor oil. Then massage your scalp with this oil very gently. You need to massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can start combing the castor oil through your hair with your fingers. Note, if you need, you can add more castor oil. When you are done with applying this oil, put on your shower cap and leave it on for at least 1 hour. Or you can simply leave it overnight. Make sure you use old pillowcase or towel because the castor oil may stain your sheets. In the morning or after 1 hour, you need to wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner and style it like you always do. You need to repeat this hair loss method once a week. You will be amazed by the results. Just after few weeks of using this homemade hair loss mask, you will notice that your hair will stop falling. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.